Hello, I'm calling because I just received my latest insurance bill and noticed there's an additional fee that I wasn't expecting.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me more about the fee you're seeing on your bill?
Certainly, it's listed as an administrative fee, and it's quite significant. I was never informed about this charge when I signed up for the policy.
I understand your concern. Let me pull up your account to take a closer look. Please bear with me for a moment while I access your details.
Thank you. I appreciate your help. It's just frustrating because I budgeted carefully based on the initial quote I received.
Of course, I completely understand. Transparency is very important to us. Okay, I see that the fee was added due to a recent policy update. It was meant to cover additional administrative costs.
I wish I had been informed about this in advance. It feels a bit unfair to be surprised by it now.
I can see how that would be frustrating. We did send out a notification about this policy change via email last month. Did you receive that communication?
I don't recall seeing any email regarding this. Could you resend it to me? Also, is there any way to waive the fee this time?
What is the main issue the man is facing? How does the woman initially respond to the man's concern?
What does the woman explain about the fee? Certainly, I can resend the email to ensure you're fully informed. Regarding waiving the fee, let me check with my manager on that possibility.
That would be great. I understand that fees are sometimes necessary, but it's just disappointing to encounter one without prior notice.
Absolutely. I sympathize with your position. While I check on the fee waiver, I suggest checking your spam or junk folders as emails can sometimes end up there.
I'll definitely do that. I really hope there's a possibility for an exception this time since it's really affecting my budget.
I understand. Our goal is to ensure our customers feel valued and heard. Let me put you on a brief hold while I speak with my manager.
Thank you. I appreciate your effort in resolving this matter.
You're welcome. I'll be back shortly with an update.
All right, I'll wait for your response. It's important to me that this can be resolved amicably.
What does the woman suggest the man do while she checks on the fee waiver? Why is the man hopeful about the fee waiver? What is the woman's next step in handling the man's request?
Thank you for holding. I spoke with my manager and we're willing to waive the fee this time as a gesture of goodwill.
That's a relief. I really appreciate your understanding and willingness to help. It makes a big difference.
We're glad to assist. We've also noted in your account that you weren't aware of the fee, so this feedback will be used to improve our communication strategies.
I'm glad to hear that. Clear communication is key, and I hope this helps prevent similar issues for others in the future.
Absolutely. We value your feedback and will work to make our notifications clearer and more effective.
Thanks again for your help. I'll keep an eye on my emails from now on, just to be sure I don't miss any important updates.
That's a great idea. Please feel free to reach out if you have any other questions or concerns. We're here to help.
I will. Thank you for resolving this issue so promptly and professionally.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and thank you for choosing our services.
What outcome does the woman offer the man regarding the fee? How does the woman plan to improve communication with customers in the future?